welcome back to Red Ted Art and our super simple Christmas card series. This is a series of 10 super simple Christmas cards to make and give this Christmas. They're perfect for making cards in the classroom, or if you've got lots of friends and family to send cards to, these are the cards for you. They all take under 5 minutes, but if you're making them in bulk, they probably take you a couple of minutes each, and you can get lots of them done really quickly and really inexpensively using basic shapes. So come on, let's take a look and see how to make this cute bauble card. So to make the bauble card, you will need some cardstock. I've chosen some green, but any color will do. I'm going to make some Santa baubles, so I'm going to make red, black and yellow. But again, you can make any bauble you want. If you've got some pretty wrapping paper, why don't you use that? Or, you know, you can check out some of the other card designs and adapt them into a Christmas bauble. So for example, you've probably seen this snowman card. That would look super cute as a bauble as well, or a little Rudolph. You know, it's totally up to you. What I love about this series is I'm showing you some basic shapes and techniques to create some really lovely designs that you can use in lots of different ways. Oh, actually, I think I want this to be a bit smaller. I got distracted chatting to you. So this is going to be my smaller one. You can maybe find some shapes to trace if you're not so comfortable cutting out circles. And then I wanted to have a bigger circle. This is where I got distracted. I wanted to do one big one and one small one. The big one isn't going to be a full circle, so I might have to have a couple of goes at this actually, because I keep distracting myself. Let's have a look. Is that good? Here's one bauble, here's the other. Yeah, I think that works. Good. So you could have done just two, you could have actually cut two big circles and then cut the circle in half, used one for one card, used the second half for another card, and then automatically you have your next cards ready and made. So that's also really handy. So I'm going to glue that down. And then I'm going to just give it a little trim. Keep that, still need that. And I'm also going to need some yellow. Little square. So I don't know if you've seen my Easy Santa card. This uses the same principle. I'm going to just cut this and stick it on where it would be in the middle, and then trim it. There we go, that's bauble number one. And then repeat for the second bauble. Maybe make it a bit thinner. Again, trim it. Stick it on. Now the great thing about these simple cards is they all take less than 5 minutes to make. As you can tell in this video, I haven't sped the video up in any way, just so you can see the real-time make and how quickly you can make these. So if you're making a big set, say for the classroom, or you've got lots of family to send cards to, or you want to send them at Christmas, you know, or not send them at Christmas, but you know, give them at Christmas. They're really quick and easy. So this card is now finished, and it took me 4.5 minutes. So there we go, really quick. And if you have a little production line going, you can speed up the make of this card really easily. Now before I go, this is part of a series. I have some other ones to show you as well. You can see them at the end, or you can check out the video, the other videos. I also wanted to mention my paper projects book. The paper project book, the principle is so easy. It's all about easy paper, easy card, one design, adapt it to make loads of different things. So for example, if you like this bauble card, which is so easy to make, you can also make our Christmas gift bags, which are made from paper. You can make them any size you want, depending on the size of your paper or the size of your gift. And then you use this principle of decorating the card, and you apply it to the card, to the bag, and you have yet another craft. So this is a really good 2-for-1. Watch the video, make the cards, buy the book, learn how to make the paper bags, and then you know, give this Christmas. So cute, so easy. And yeah, that's it really. So if you like this card, don't forget to like, comment and subscribe. Above all, keep watching, keep making, check out the other videos in this series, and hopefully I'll see you here again soon. Take care. Bye.